I'm Wendy, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm a little nervous about this budget-friendly subscription box. For those foodies out there who like snacks, we're going to take a look at Munch Addict. Now, I'll give you a little background on this. So Munch Addict, it's a mystery each month, and they scour the globe looking for tasty snacks from around the world. And then you get to pick your addiction level, so to speak. First one is a standard box, which is $10 a month, and it has 5 full-size snacks in it. The premium box is $20 with 10 full-size. The Deluxe box is $30 a month with 15 full-size snacks in it. Now this other one, it's not really budget-friendly for me, but maybe some of you it will work. It is called the Mother Load, and it's $99 a month for 60 full-size snacks. Any of these boxes, you can add an additional drink from somewhere around the world. And again, you don't get to pick from where. It just shows up, but it would be an additional $3. And there's various packaging that you can add to it. Some of them, like maybe some sour options, but that's an additional charge to your standard box cost. So let's hop right in. The reason I'm really nervous is I do eat a lot. You know, I never skip a meal. I'm a sweets eater, but I'm very particular. So it makes me nervous. I'm going to go ahead and try these for you. So, you know, we'll see. So this is what it looks like when it comes. On the inside, this is what the inside looks like. I don't know about this. Oh my goodness. This is maybe from Japan. Here's what it looks like. So you aren't going to know, I mean, not unless you're multilingual, what it actually says. So let's see what this looks. I don't know about this. I can't get it open. This, it's like a crispy cookie. It's hollow on the inside. Okay. Smells like a cookie. Oh my. I can't even think of what this tastes like. A cereal, a plain cereal with a little sugar, a sugary touch to it. I actually really like it. I'm surprised. Wow. All right. This next one looks like, it says watermelon flavored hot candy strips. Oh, I'm really not going to like this because I think it might be something spicy. Not a big fan of that. So let's give it a whirl and see. I need to have my water ready because, I don't know about this. Even though that last one surprised me. So it looks like a little Twizzler-ish. I just ripped off a piece. Yes, it tastes like a watermelon Twizzler or a watermelon sour candy with a hint with a hint of spiciness at the end. I'm a bit of a sissy when it comes to heat. Sorry about that. Oh, that's a little rough. Okay. This next one, this is cute. Look at this little panda, and it says baby cookies on it. So I'm not sure what to expect out of that. I can't really get into this little packaging. I'm struggling. Sorry about that. So, cut this little bag open. Again, it says the baby cookies. They look like just little dots. These don't really... They kind of remind me of vanilla wafers with a weird aftertaste, but I think I could do those. Okay. Here is another one of what I can see is 99, which is the first thing that I tried that tastes like this cereal. Really good. Honeycombs. That's what it tastes like. I can never remember the cereal, but it has a very similar taste. This next option, I'm not sure. There's nothing really on here to indicate what this... looks like a little cookie with chocolate inside. Okay. I would be totally okay with that. So let's see. Let's grab one of these. Oh, these are cute and little. Look at that. Huh. These actually taste like it's like a little soft batch. It's not very strong. It's not a strong chocolate flavor. Very interesting. So I do like this box. This is fun. Like I said, I was a little bit scared. I don't know. What do you think? Is that something you want to check out? Try all these different snacks from all over the world? I think this could be fun. I think I'm going to have my son start trying these with me. He's a little bit more adventurous than I am, though. So the next box is the last thing that we have in here. And it says pizza, and it says Prez. And that's what it looks like. So it kind of looks like breadsticks. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it smells like pizza. That's for sure. If I can get it open. I just took one, just broke off. So it does look like a little breadstick. Oh my. Oh my. Those are really good. Those taste like you're eating pizza. And it says one whole box is 150 calories, 6 grams of fat, 20 total carbs. That's awesome because it does taste like you're eating pizza. I'm going to eat all of this as soon as I'm done with this video. So what do you think? You going to become some type of addiction level with Munch Addict? Let me know what you think. I'm really excited for this now. I know I was nervous, but here we are. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. With that, I'll talk to you soon.